This is a KMC 600. A Swiss company, KIBAG, added this 72-ton excavator to its fleet for large-scale demolition projects. It comes standard with a multi-carrier that is equipped with a unique quick-change system. This system enables the excavator to quickly attach or detach a variety of attachment tools on the site. The John Deere 904 P-Tier is a 36-ton wheel loader with a bucket size of 7.1, 7.5 cubic meters, and a 429 horsepower engine. It is capable of loading standard road trucks in 2 passes. It can be equipped with advanced visibility and radar object detection systems that increase situational awareness and prevent expensive machine damage. Furthermore, obstacle intelligence reduces the total cost of ownership and machine downtime. The electro-hydraulic controls provide more capability for customizing machine operations. Operators can customize parameters to boost efficiency across a variety of worksite applications. This is AGRONIC MultiBaler 1220. It creates a bale with a diameter ranging from 100 centimeters to 120 centimeters and a breadth of 100 centimeters. The bale weight ranges between 600 kilograms and 1,000 kilograms. It is the ideal equipment for agricultural or industrial applications requiring capacity. It can condense a broad range of fiber goods, including maize, grass, alfalfa, beet pulp, wood chips, and so on. The machine is capable of producing 40-50 bales per hour. It is generally operated in a fixed configuration, but it can also be used in the field in conjunction with a forage harvester, resulting in substantial logistical savings. The SENN TRAC is a versatile front loader with a 4.4-ton lifting capacity. The machine boasts all the characteristics of a wheel loader, such as a lifting height of 5,040 mm and a dumping angle of 30 degrees. Its automated docking system at the front and rear allows the operator to attach or detach extensions without leaving the cab. For instance, it can be used with a stone crucier for crushing 250 mm thick rocks and concrete, or a wood chipper can be powered via its PEO. The machine is powered by a 420 HP CAT engine and hydrostatic mechanical VDS transmission. It has a maximum speed of 80 km per hour. The OXBO 4334 is Self, a propelled machine that was created for the fodder sector. With its front-mounted pickup heads, the forge merger improves fodder quality by avoiding crop damage and making it easy for harvesting fingers to collect the whole crop. The unique design delivers a better degree of agility and productivity to the field. With a clear view of the merger's 34-foot continuous pickup, the operator has more control over creating finer, harvester windrows. The front-mounted heads improve maneuverability, especially in headlands and field bends. Stopping the conveyor while running the pickup heads is a new feature of this machine. A well-positioned joystick and easy-to-use controls let the user raise, lower, fold, and unfold the heads using fingertip movements. This is a two-step gun system for washing commercial trucks. First, a low pH pre-soak or acid is sprayed to remove road minerals and UV-induced oxidation buildup. Next, a high pH soap is applied directly over the acid to target grease, oils, and carbon-based dirt. The washing gun eliminates the need for scrubbing in this procedure, making it a one-man job. This system can be utilized without running chemicals through a pump or coil while switching between processes instantaneously. The Rayco RG804X4 is a stump grinder powered by a Ford engine with 85 horsepower and hydrostatic cutter wheel drive. The command cut controls allow the operator to alter swing speed independently from engine speed while maintaining optimum torque and horsepower. In addition to high and low travel speeds, the Propelled system has a creep mode for precise cutting control. The remote control of the RG80 is resistant to dust, moisture, and other elements. The large hydraulic backfill blade reduces cleaning time and folds easily for passing through gates. The MATTHIAS MOLLER clearance profile saw is last but not least. It was created to chop off high, low-hanging branches to clear forest trails and roads. It can cut 8-meter-high branches from all sides thanks to its massive saw blades and sturdy boom. Because of the quick coupling, the unit can be replaced rapidly with a gripper, which makes it equivalent to a cherry picker. Also, it is possible to use a saw while keeping the machine at 40 kilometers per horse. This eliminates the need for equivalent tools and offers high performance with great reliability. This is a subsurface drainage system from AGRI Drainage. It's designed to manage excess water in the soil that causes anaerobic conditions, hampers root growth, and builds up excess salt. The drainage pipes are installed at specific slopes, gradients, and depths according to a detailed plan. It manages water table levels and salinity and optimizes the use of rainfall. Gates can also be utilized to step down the subsurface drainage system. Furthermore, this process cuts cost by up to 80% in comparison with conventional methods and saves time. Up to 28 HA can be installed in a day. This is M5XAS, an amphibious excavator with a unique pontoon system that is simple to mount and detach without additional equipment. Loading the machine and pontoon system onto flatbed trucks does not require ramps or cranes. It can climb into any truck, unload the pontoon system from the truck, and assemble it on the job site in less than an hour. It can simply anchor itself for maximum operating stability thanks to its 4 independently adjustable hydraulic stabilizers that reach a water depth of up to 4.5 meters. The excavator is capable of navigating even the most inaccessible work locations. The XCA26000. This all-terrain crane was independently developed by XCMG. It has a 10-axle chassis with a lower crane body that protects the equipment while operating at wind power plants. It has excellent loading and driving abilities to carry heavier components such as 6-main boom, sections, legs, and a super lift structure. It has a 30% climbing ability and a driving speed of 2 km/h. The XCA2600 owns 8 original technologies and has released full coverage of onshore wind turbine hoisting for generators of 8 MW, achieving 173 tons of weightlifting to the hoisting height of 160 meters, which will significantly improve the installation of super large onshore wind turbines. Did you learn something new? Smash that like button and subscribe for more awesome content.